Today we're going to be going over how to submit your assignments onto Google Classroom. So first we're going to go to our Google Classroom app. It looks like a green chalkboard with people in it, and it should say Classroom, so we're going to click on that. We go to the class that we want. I am here in, you can go under Stream, but under your triple three lines on the upper right hand corner, you can have all your classes. Here under Enrolled, I am enrolled in Algebra 1, so I'm going to click onto Algebra 1 next. Your assignment should be under Classwork. It's in the bottom middle. It should say Classwork. You click on that. I will go to my assignments. The one I want to try to work on is Monday, August 24th. So I'm going to click on Monday, August 24th. I'm going to read the instructions. It says open the Google Docs, write your answers, in page 2 of your notebook, and then submit a photo. So you can write your answers in a Google Docs and submit a photo. So I'm going to scroll up. There should be on the bottom, there should be a little arrow that pushes up, or you can just push the bottom tab part. And I notice here there is one with my name that looks like a document thing up on top. So I'm just gonna click onto it, and it should pop up the Google Docs, and I can use on my upper right corner. There should be something that looks like a pencil. I'll click on that, and that allows me to edit this. So down below I have a pencil, and I could write my answers as anything, however I want, and then I can save that, and when I get done I'll save that, and that is how I submit it. Document saved. And here, if I open it up again, it should say edited with my name, and it gives me the date. It shows my edited versions. That's how you know it has been edited and saved. Also, if I don't want to do that, I can add in a picture. So I'm gonna first take my picture. Okay, we're gonna take a picture using our camera app. You open the camera app, and there should be a button, a white button, and you take your picture using the white button, and it saves our picture. And then I'm going to click in add attachment under my Google Docs. So then I want it to pick a photo from my photo that I just took, and let's look all my photos, and my picture should be somewhere here. This is the picture of my assignment. I added it. Gonna wait for it to load, and now it should pop up. It takes a little minute, and it should pop up. And notice here I have another thing that looks like little mountain peaks, but it shows up here as my bottom thing as Monday, August 24th. That is my picture. So now I'm done. I can check to see if that's the picture. I just click on it to show that, hey, that is my picture. So yes. So now I am done. I'm just gonna press turn in. And turn in your work. Yes, I'm gonna turn it in. That's how I know that my assignments are done for submission.